In this episode, I'm going to show you how to crochet a Taurus Zodiac symbol with a cute like pink rose like this. You can use this piece as a keychain, decorate your desk or workspace, or give it as a small handmade gift. Hi everyone, welcome back to my crochet tutorial channel, Mayy Crochet. Here are the materials you will need. Let's get started. First, we are going to crochet the Taurus Zodiac symbol. Make a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochets into the magic ring. At the end of each row, slip stitch to finish the row and chain 1 to start the next row. I will not repeat this again in the following row. Row 2, single crochet in all stitches. And from row 2 to row 33, crochet the same way. After finishing, cut the yarn and leave a long tail. Next, crochet a short piece. The method is the same as the long piece, but this time we crochet only 25 rows. After finishing both pieces, insert short wire into each piece, then use a yarn needle to sew the openings closed. Next, we are going to crochet the rose. I'm using light pink yarn. Make a knot and chain 6. Skip 1 stitch, then crochet 1 single crochet. And 2 single crochets into the same stitch. In the next 3 stitches, crochet 3 single crochet into the same stitch. After finishing, cut the yarn and use hot glue to secure the yarn tail. Make 2 rows in total. Next, we crochet the calyx. Make a magic ring and crochet 3 single crochet stitches. Then chain 3. Skip 1 stitch. Then crochet 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, slip stitch, and repeat this pattern 3 times. Cut the yarn and use hot glue to secure the yarn tail inside when attaching it to the flower. Make 2 calyx pieces. Next, we crochet the leaves. Make a knot and chain 4. Skip 1 stitch, then crochet 1 slip stitch. One half double crochet, and 1 single crochet. Next, chain 1, slip stitch into the same stitch, then chain 1. Cut the yarn and weave in the end. Make 3 leaves in total. After finishing on the parts, use hot glue to attach everything together like this. And that's it, we have finished the Taurus Zodiac symbol with 5 pink roses. If you finish this piece, please leave a comment and interact with the video to support me. Good luck and bye bye. If you find my video helpful, please like and subscribe to follow my next tutorials.